Time now for your transfer update.
Just wanted to send you all a quick message. So we all appreciate your support. It's obviously a fantastic feeling to be back at Old Trafford. I'm sure a lot of us have missed it. So yeah, once again from me, thank you for the support.
But we're going to start the transfer show this hour with significant breaking news. It comes from Manchester United, and for us it comes from Dharmesh.
Yeah, really good news if you're a Manchester United fan. It was news that we were predicting would happen last week, and it has happened, and that is the new contract with Manchester United that will extend his stay at Old Trafford.
Bringing you some breaking news, and it comes from Manchester United, who have reached an agreement in principle with Marcus Rashford over a new contract. A deal until is in the final stages of negotiation and set to be signed by the England international, who rejected more lucrative offers from England and abroad to stay at Manchester United.
Got some very interesting news about Marcus Rashford, who you'll be aware about his future. It was clear that the message had come from the manager. He needed to buck his ideas up, basically on and off the pitch in training.
Takes the form of Manchester United taking on Marcus Rashford, arriving at Old Trafford ready and raring. He's missed the last full squads, hasn't he? But it looks like tonight he's in the squad.
Rashford's shock 2030 decision stuns football world as United rebuild takes huge step forward. Marcus Rashford has reportedly made one of the biggest decisions of his career by committing his future to Manchester United until 2030, sending excitement across the football world and giving supporters renewed hope about the club's future. The reported agreement is being viewed as a massive statement of loyalty from one of the club's most important homegrown stars during a period of major transition at Old Trafford. Rashford's decision comes at a crucial moment for Manchester United as the club continues its rebuilding process both on and off the pitch. In modern football, where player transfers and contract disputes dominate headlines every season, seeing a player of Rashford's stature commit long-term to his boyhood club is being celebrated by fans as a rare and emotional moment. Supporters believe the forward's commitment could inspire stability and unity inside the dressing room as the club pushes toward a new era. The England international has been part of the United journey since childhood, rising through the academy ranks before exploding onto the scene with a sensational debut that instantly made him a fan favourite. Over the years, Rashford has delivered unforgettable performances, crucial goals, and moments of brilliance that have cemented his place among the most influential players in the squad. Beyond football, he has also earned global admiration for his leadership and charitable work away from the pitch. Sources close to the situation suggest Rashford believes strongly in the direction Manchester United are heading. With changes taking place around the football structure, recruitment plans, and squad development, the attacker reportedly sees himself as one of the key leaders who can help restore the club to the top of English and European football. His reported commitment until 2030 is now being viewed as a sign that major figures inside the club remain confident about the long-term project. Fans reacted instantly across social media after reports of the agreement emerged. Many described the news as one of the most important developments for the club in recent years, especially considering ongoing speculation surrounding the futures of several senior players. The idea of Rashford staying at Old Trafford for the prime years of his career has generated huge optimism among supporters who want to see academy players lead the team back to success. Football analysts also believe the decision sends a powerful message to potential signings around Europe. Rashford's presence remains critical due to his experience, pace, leadership qualities, and connection with the supporters. With expectations growing ahead of the new season, many fans now hope this commitment could mark the beginning of a new chapter filled with ambition, trophies, and a return to the elite level Manchester United supporters believe their club belongs.